Have you ever decided to trust life and then 5 minutes later found yourself worrying about everything again? Because I was there too. When I first decided to trust life, to trust God, just go in flow with life, surrender everything, release the control of my life, I found myself worrying about, doubting about the uncertainty, the unknown. Like, what if doesn't happen the way I want? What if it doesn't happen? What if I don't achieve my dreams? And so many things. The stress, this fears came in my mind, and I realized that this is actually a pattern of taking stress. This is actually the stress addictions. Yes, we have this addiction of taking stress. I understood this pattern, and I got aware of this pattern, and I have actually break this pattern to a very extent. I think it's like only little that is left. Sometimes it comes, but I have broke it, I know, and I could feel it. Like now I don't fear about this uncertainty and unknown to that extent how much I used to do it before. Before, I used to be so fearful to release the control. And even if I'm not fearing about my future, or I'm not fearing about my dream desires, about my daily life, little things, I would take stress. Like I have to do these things after this. Like for me, if I would talk like before I was aware of this addiction, before I was aware of this pattern. Like, suppose I'm making this video, I'll take stress that after this I have to edit the videos, I have to cook, I'll have to do that. So these things always goes in the mind. But now I'm so relaxed. I'm making the video, that means I'm making the video. What I'll do next, I'll think about it. I'll do in the next time. Like whatever I'm doing, I'm able to be in the present moment, and I'm able to do it in a much peaceful and calm way. So our mind is so addicted to taking stress. Sometimes it will take stress of the little things of our daily life. Sometimes it will take stress of the unknown, the uncertainty of our future. And this is actually an stress addiction. So because I have broke this pattern to a very great extent, I would say, sometimes still this fears comes to me, I would not lie. But I broke this pattern to a very great level. So I thought, let me make this video, because last time I made the video about trusting life, and it is very difficult to trust the process. It is very difficult. It is very easy to say that trust life, trust life. When I started this journey, everyone used to say trust life, trust the process, but I was not able to do it. These thoughts used to come, this stress used to come. But now I realized that it was actually the pattern, it was actually an addiction. So I just want to say you what I did it. I watched a video of Joy Dispenza. I'm sorry, if I'm able to pronounce it correctly, because I'm not good in pronunciation so much. But the thing was, in this video, he said that be so conscious of your unconscious, and it really hit me. Like, okay, be conscious of your unconscious. And I started being conscious of my unconscious. I started, noticing what my unconscious used to do. And I came aware of so many things in my life. Every time I got excited, I got happy, my unconscious takes me to stress. Every time I try to trust life, trust God, this unconscious tries to take stress. Every time I go out. So what I was trying to say, that every time I felt happy, or I decided to go somewhere, I go for a vacation. I go to vacation by being so excited. I enjoy my vacation, I enjoy my outing and come. But after I come, I go in a pattern, and I don't know what my unconscious do, but something happens to me for sure. I feel more lack, I feel more scarcity. I feel like, oh, my future. I stress about my future more after coming for a vacation. And this is actually a pattern of me, that because I have enjoyed it so much, now it's time for me to take stress, because my nervous system, my body is not used to taking stress. So uh, just be conscious, just try to be conscious. And in the beginning, when you will try to be conscious, you will notice that unknowingly, unconsciously, you went into this stress, you went into this pattern, but you will be aware for some time, then again you will try to come out, and again you will go, again you will go into unconsciousness, in these thoughts, in these fears, in this stress, because our body, our mind is used to this stress, used to this um, pattern of thinking, stressing about life. So for me, like, if I enjoy so much, it is like, it is not safe for me, because I am used to taking stress. So I understood this pattern of me, and now when I go out somewhere, like even for I have to go out for a film or anything, I go out with the thought that yes, I'm going out to enjoy my day, and after coming I'll be more grateful, I'll be more happy. Sorry, I'll be more fulfilled. And sorry. And yes, after coming, I noticed again that after coming, which day I came, I used to feel very grateful, I used to feel very happy, because I put it in my subconscious that I'll be happy, more grateful after coming from that outing, from the vacation. But after 2 3 days I go in this pattern, because my subconscious is like, for that day I'll be happy now, for the next day I may be happy, but after like 2 days again stress. I don't know, I feel like there is low of energy. I feel like when this desperate energy come, and I could feel, because now I'm so being conscious of my unconscious, of my patterns, of my energy, each and everything in my day-to-day life, each and every moment I'm conscious of my, what my body is doing, what my unconscious is doing, what my energy, where it is going, where the energy is leaking, my frequency, each and every day. Let me say you, till now, even now, I am being aware, because I really want to grow, and because I'm so aware, I could see that I'm going into desperate energy. And I have seen that in the last two my trips that I went for outing, I noticed that after 2 days this happens, and this is because I put in my subconscious that that day I'll be happy, but after 2 days it comes. So now I'm like, I'll you know what I say to my subconscious now is that I go for an outing, and I come out feeling more fulfilled, happy, and I sustain that feeling, I sustain that feeling. So the this, you just need to be conscious of your unconscious to break your pattern. And I also heard that there are version of us who is living a dream life, and maybe there are also version of us who are not living a dream life. And it all happens because of the choices, the decisions, the actions that we take now. So if now we are taking the decision to be conscious of our unconscious, break all the patterns, do what we are supposed to do, then we are going to live. There is a version of us who is living a dream life, who has achieved all our goals, all our desires. So it just needs that we need to now take actions. We need to break the patterns. We need to be conscious of our unconscious. So that's all what I had to say, that be so conscious of your unconscious about. There will be moment when you will forget, because till now I forget. I do something and I noticed that my subconscious went to a thought on overthinking, and I realized, oh, I forgot to be conscious. And you will forget to be conscious, it's okay. You were just starting, right? You were just starting. In the beginning you will forget many times, then you will notice that you are being conscious more than yesterday. And there will be time when you will be conscious each and every moment, and you will understand each thing about what your unconscious is trying to do. I just sit with my unconscious for a moment, and I just decide what my unconscious is trying to do. And sometimes when I feel like there is low energy, or I'm feeling restlessness, I sit with this moment, and I decide where it is going. And I've seen that many times it was the desperate energy and lack energy, and I then say to myself that, look, Nivedita, there is a version of you who is living it, and you will live it. It is already yours, you are already receiving it. When you say this to yourself, obviously it feels a little bit fake sometimes. Till now sometimes it feels fake when our mind is not actually ready to take the advice at that moment. But when you say it again and again, and you try to do some breath work, you try to move, you drink water, then you will see that, yeah, you are now okay. Then again you can continue with your walk. And yes, there were also moments when I thought like I'm wasting my time sitting with the moment, because I have been so used to be productive 24 hour a day, like that was me. So sitting with the moment and really trying to know my energy, know what I'm feeling, and then decide to shift it, it's like a waste of time. My ego mind used to say, my small mind tries like, you are wasting your time, you're wasting your time, what do you do, you have to a lot of work to do. And then I became aware that this is also my unconscious again trying to say me that you are wasting your time by being with your emotions. So you know, this is what our unconscious does to us. Because, and it's not the fault of the unconscious, or it is not the fault of our nervous system, because they are addicted to it, they are used to it, they think that this is our comfort zone and they are trying to do it for us. But we need to decide that yes, we are going to break this pattern, and then our life is going to change. Because I've seen that now I'm more calm, more peace, I trust life more now. Fears comes, yes, definitely, but not to that intensity. Fear comes, and when this fear comes, there's also a voice coming after it again from somewhere from inside me, that everything will work out, you will get exactly what you want, your dreams are going to come true. The fear comes in my mind and automatically a voice comes, I don't even have to say anything from my mouth, I don't have to think it consciously anything, the voice automatically comes it. So that's all what I had to say. Break the pattern, be conscious of your unconscious, and break this pattern, and you will see that how peaceful you are, how effortlessly you are able to trust life, trust God, and you will feel more happy, more fulfilled, more peace. And this is what we want, right? So that's all for today, my girls. Bye bye.